Good evening, my fellow traders, and welcome to another live session. Hey, Shalini, good to see you. So, do let me know if you want me to do analysis before I continue to go through all the other markets, indices, forex, cryptos. So, if you have any questions, any particular instrument you want me to do a quick analysis, please let me know. We can take a look right away. On the candle, you said, where is that? Yeah, that's a 382 candle bearish. If you are looking at your 382 strategy, yeah, that's valid. Yeah, looks valid. Gonna be risky, but valid entry by keeping a stop loss above the wick. Take profit, you can go according to the 1 ATR above the wick. Oh, hi, fair. Yep. Yep, I got you. So, yeah, that's valid bearish 382 candle on Oanda. So, for that, let's say you entered here. I'll go 1 ATR above the wick, exactly like the rules. So, no, I'm not going to go for a very big trade. So, 14 here plus 11, let's do 22. So, not, let's do 20. Actually, let's do 16 because we have a trend line and we don't want to go below the trend line. So, yeah, if you want to take it, that is something. Or you can go 1 ATR as well. Platinum, next resistance. Oh, let's take a look at platinum. Didn't I send that in the report? Okay, I've sent the support area, right? I got it now. Platinum resistance is quite higher, which is right here, but you can also use this as a minor resistance right here. Yeah, so one resistance below. $1,027.39, that goes up to $1,052.21. That is your next resistance from where we can see a likely pullbacks, entries, exit, and then look for the next major resistance. So we do have a minor resistance, a good resistance, not a bad resistance. So double top would be a preferable entry for me in this area instead of going aggressive. Okay, so yeah, let's do the quick analysis one by one, starting with USD Japanese yen. Oh, GBP USD. Okay, I'll take a look at GBP USD for you first. GBP USD in a minor inside the resistance that was sent in the report. Hey, Damien, good to see you. We just started now, so not gone through. We have just looked at the 382 Fibonacci entry on NatGas. Fair have just mentioned that entry on Oanda platform. So here, if you look on 1 hour time frame, we had an entry right here that already played out on 1 hour GBP USD. If you have seen the report, that has played out with the swing 3 shadows pattern we have here. Yeah, that's the one. And then we have on 1 hour, on 4 hour, what you can do, you can wait for the double top pattern because we do not have a condition yet. Right here. So mark your rejection zone, wait for the pullback, and then rejection here. Pullback and rejection, and then you can go short by keeping a stop loss above 180 or above the box. So that's the selling area for GBP USD. Let's see here. GBCHF is just ranging within this zone. So unless and until we are broken above, I'm not going to enter any trades for GBP-CHF for now. And the Japanese yen just made a new high, which is a very good sign for me to look for an entry on NZD Japanese yen. I'll keep this pair in my watch list because we might have a very good chance of a pullback entry here. So keep an eye, a pullback entry above 50 EMA on NZD Japanese yen. Mark these pairs on the charts because it is something I'll be closely looking at, and we might get a very good opportunity here because NZD Japanese yen just broke above the structure. And that looks like a change of trend from here. So we might see another spike up, and it's going to be very good entry. So keep an eye. And I'll manage these trades maybe till here. So there is a chance to grab as much as profit as possible. But once we have a condition, keep an eye on this pair. Nothing for AUD, NZD. Euro NZD, just looking at this level, you have received these zones already on the charts. Entry from here, and keep an eye on this zone. Euro USD broke above the structure level. We have no entry condition, means we are no more using this zone. But for the pullback entry, I want to see a break above this high. For Euro USD, we are also getting a pattern. Let's see if that is valid. Yeah, looks valid. Head and shoulder pattern has been formed. Termination zone has been completed. Rejection has been done. And right shoulder almost has been formed. So let's mark the termination zone below. Now for the Euro USD, we have a possible entry coming up very soon. So just look for bullish engulfers within this termination zone. Preferably, I'll keep my stop loss below this wick and take profit. I can go bigger, but smaller target, of course. Bullish engulfers, just 180 or below the wick, exactly how you learn the rules in the course. So a possible entry we are getting here on Euro USD. A bullish pattern has been formed. And let's see if we have an entry within this termination zone. So we were at USD Japanese yen. Unless and until we are not broken above these highs, we are not taking any trades, but just looking at the zone above for the possible sell entries. 160.17 goes to 161.82 for the possible trades. For now, just pullback entry bullish. Once we're broken above these highs, pullback bullish engulfers. Something I'll be looking at for my possible trades. USD CHF, the zone was sent to you, and we can see a likely push up has been started. Let's see if we have an entry condition. Yeah. Swing low bullish engulfer happened on 1 hour time frame. That was an entry that is nicely pushed up. Look for your condition on 1 hour and 4 hour both. Nicely played out. But on 4 hour, we still need to see either a double bottom here. That is all. So just double bottom we need to see on 4 hour because we do not have an aggressive entry yet, or pull back to the zone, another bullish engulfer. For now, we can see a likely push higher. Okay, so what do you say? That's the one you're talking about, right? So that's the one, right? 10-year US bond, 10-year yield. Perfect. Broken above the structure level, which is good, means the trend has been confirmed towards the upside. Now, further continuation is expected. A little resistance here on a daily. But looking at the strong uptrend, okay. No, I will use this level above. On daily, that was a structure that has been broken. Okay. Structure was broken. Retest happened and the pushing and the price is pushing up. So further continuation is expected. So have the zones below. You can mark the zone below right here, which is support zone, and zone above is resistance zone right here. So you can see this number as resistance and you can see these numbers as support. But price pushing up with pullbacks. You see this bullish engulfer, again a pullback and a bullish engulfer is expected, and continuation is expected towards the upside. Expect some retracement from these areas, pullback and then a push higher. So bullish overall and expect a push up. So Damien, you don't do forex, but in general, do you? Of course, yes. If I'm trading a dollar pair, any dollar pair, when Trump's is in a power, then I'll be very cautious to take my trades. If I'm taking any US, for example, USD Japanese yen gonna be reacting massively. USD CHF is gonna be reacting massively. USD CAD is gonna be reacting massively. So these pairs, major pairs with USD, that's gonna react massively. Plus gold is gonna fall. That is the sentiments, because the people are gonna gain confidence, like I mentioned today in the video. So they're gonna be more confidence in the economy, and the dollar is gonna get stronger. But that's not going to be way for the long term. It might, in between, we might see some good push ups and push downs. For example, if you trade gold, when let's say Trump came into the power, it now might push the gold down here, and then it's not going to be staying here for long. We might see a push down, and then gold will start to gain its momentum again. So yeah, for short term, fundamentals are always short term. So for the short term, we can see a big fall and a push down. Not for the euro. Yes, euro USD. Yes, of course. Euro USD is one of the biggest pair we have there, with the highest liquidity there. That's going to be reacting very hardly. So where's euro USD? Yeah, so that time technical will fail, of course. If that happens when Trump's came, the technical won't be very effective at that time. Yes, in that case, we might see a strength in dollar and euro can fall. Especially for this pair. Crypto can rise again as well. That's a chance. Tesla might be forming double bottom. Keep an eye here at the level of support. So let's take a look. Okay, XPX. SPX fair, just look at this zone below for your entries. I'm expecting further push down from from XPX. That's why in the report I'm just looking at this level for my entries. So keep an eye here. Expect more push down. Little rejection is expected from here. Looking at this minor support area. If you want to go for the scalp on a smaller time frame, that is an area where you can go for the scalp. For example, you're scalping on 1 hour. Look for bullish engulfer on 1 hour. Small entry can be taken, then exit quickly, then look at this level below. So scalping, this area will be better if you want to use this for a quick trade. Looking at this level has been reacted nicely in the past. So this level right here, as you can see these numbers in blue, you can always mark these on your charts. 5824, and that goes up to 5858. Yeah. So let's see if you have any opportunities this week. UK 100 index bullish engulfer pullback entry is here. 30 points. 180. Yeah, we have an entry here. Let's say you have entered few pips below, that would have hit your profit. If you entered at the close, that looks something like this. So you can enter as a possible entry, bullish pullback entry with the previous candle to be red candle, swing low bullish engulfer. If you're looking at UK 100 index. And the CHF is also pushing up. I don't like this pair, but now we can start to look at the pullback entry bullish. Only buy trades. NZD, CAD, just leave this one. Euro GBP, leave this one. Euro CAD, not looking at this one as well. No possible setups. Very choppy, unless we are broken above these highs. For CHF JPY, I'm not looking for any entries. CAT CHF, we are already in the trade. Let's hope it goes up, hit our take profit. That's a level of resistance as well. Bit risky here, but let's see how it goes. Let's do a quick for Thomas, if you're watching it. Nicely pushing up from here. Remember this consolidation. We are still in that. Double bottom formed here. Expect a push up and expect the price to come up to these areas again. Consolidation is there. Unless and until we are broken above these consolidation, we're going to just range from here to here. So the next entry has been triggered here. Expect a push up and range till this area for USD Poland or Euro Poland. On this platform, below 50 EMA, that looks like not a head and shoulder. That is a head and shoulder. Yeah. That can be taken as well. Let's see on a higher time frame. Very choppy price action. So don't take any trades for this pair at this point because it's just ranging sideways. Unless and until we are broken above these highs. Once we are broken above these highs, only then the trend will confirm that price will hit the level above right here. Once we are broken above these highs, it's going to go up to this level from where we can start to look at the sell trades. So that is something for you, Thomas, if you're looking at a recorded session. Then we have Dow Jones. Same for Dow Jones. Fair. Look at this level below for the entries. 41,247 goes to 41,813. Not taking any trades. We are just ranging and we are below 50 EMA in the downtrend. So expect a push lower to this level from where we can see we can enter buy trades. So buy a trade from this level for now. Don't take any trades for this one. We have no conditions, but in general we are bearish and it's going to push down. That is very likely. So we have done that. Let's look at some Japanese yen. Japanese yen pair AUD/JPY is about to go hit the level that I've been sending to you from last couple of weeks. So look at this level for the possible sell trades. That is sent to you in the report. For now, we are above 50 EMA. Pullback entry we can still look for. AUD/USD is pushing down from the zone above. Expect further push down from AUD/USD. CAD/JPY, nice uptrend. Pullback entry bullish. I'm something I'm looking at. That is done. GBP/JPY, not taking any trades for this one. For GBP/JPY, must break above these highs to take the next buy entry. USD CAD, I'm looking at the level below and above. So wherever it hit first, we're going to take our trades. That was sent to you in the report to keep an eye. For now, we are bearish as we are broken below 50 EMA. Break below this low will confirm the price is going to pull back, and then bearish engulfer will become likely for your sell opportunities. Keep an eye on these entries. Euro Japanese yen, unless the price break above these highs, I'm not taking any trades. So not taking a trade is better than placing a wrong trade and getting stuck. So make sure enter with a good setup. So for gold today, I made good money here in gold. I've lost a couple of trades, but that gold trade covered everything up. So that is what, you feel bad when you have a losing trade, but when you see these type of opportunities, 200 pips is insane amount of money in gold. A valid entry, pullback entry for the course members, you know that it is a valid entry. If I've taken it, that is good. So I've done, let's see if I've covered all of them. AUD CAD, bearish engulfer from the zone that was sent to you. Expect a further push down from here. That is my entry, 180 or above the wick, and take profit is like this. DXY is bullish for now, but below 50 EMA mean we can see short-term bearish momentums. So we can see some pullbacks from DXY, some short-term bearish momentum from DXY. Nice push up from DAX. If you remember, we did an analysis a couple of weeks ago. DAX nicely pushed up from here, from the zone we've been taken. I think so. Shalini asked for DAX, and we had a good push up from the zone that was marked in the live session. Let's see if there's any opportunities. First, let's look at the optimized pairs. That is done. Let's look at entries on 1 hour time frame. So if I find an entry, so looking at on 1 hour, nothing here. Keep an eye on Japanese yen, this one, NZD/JPY. We might get a possible entry on 1 hour as well. Bullish engulfer can happen on 1 hour. So keep an eye here on bullish engulfer. It is something I'm looking at on 1 hour time frame. Okay. Let's see any breakout setups. Breakout setup. Okay, now if you follow me from day one in live sessions, you remember we've been doing this breakout trades. Price below 50 EMA on 1 hour, and then on 5 minutes we are below 50 EMA. That is something I used to do for the scalping a lot. In day trade, that is my range. And I will enter my buy or sell trades. Preferably sell trades because we are below 50 EMA. So the way I'm going to enter is right at the close and break. Keep my stop loss somewhere above the EMA. Go 1 to 1 initially, and it can go 1.2 to 1 reward to risk ratio. So that is a breakout setup on 5 minutes time frame. But close is very important below. If close above, then that looks like this. So that is a breakout setup above or below on 5 minutes time frame. So let's see if we have more. Let me mark that. AUD USD getting a breakout setup here. That's the breakout setup AUD USD. Exactly the same. Break above or below will be your entry. Go 1.2 to 1 reward to risk ratio because you're trading on 5 minutes time frame. Spread is there and you want to get a better reward. So breakout below. Go 1.2 to 1. But breakout below is must or above is must. So that is the breakout setup on AUD USD. Not going to look for that. Coffee for now short. Okay, let's see that. So for coffee, 382 candle now. Where? If you're looking at this platform, can't see any 382 candle. Instead, we have a flag pattern there. Here. Right here, flag pattern. So if this pattern is broken, strong candle. Strong means not a candle like this, not a break like this, not a break like this. Strong break in coffee and close. Example, we are broken below with a solid candle. Let's say the candle closes here. Stop loss above this pattern, take profit. You can go to the zone below or 1 to 1. So that is something I'll be looking at. Yes, Damien, there is an indicator. I think so. I think so. You have sent me before. If you can send it again to me, I'll take a look as well. So just send that indicator to me again so I can take a look. For now, for coffee, if you're looking at entries, I will be looking at the breakout. Above, if that happens above, if coffee broken above, then I will enter here. I'll keep my stop loss below. Take profit, you can go. Let's say we have a break here. You can go 1 ATR of the entry candle, whatever the entry is. Let's say we have an entry here, 1 ATR below, and then you can go 1 to 1 and then 1.2 to 1 reward to risk ratio. 382 detector. 382 or 382. Oh, this one. Okay, I need to disable one indicator first. Okay, I got it. I'll take a look. Let me mark it in favorites. Okay, great. You guys are doing good job discovering good indicators. That's really good. See, once you learn the system, you can figure out the ways. You can figure out the things that can increase your ROI and that can make your life easy, which is very good. I'm a very old school person. So, yeah, keep an eye on this pattern here on coffee. But we do have a breakout setup on 5 minutes. If you are looking for scalping, you can do that. Okay, so we have found three pairs, GBCHF as well. Okay. Here as well, consolidation, breakout setup, above or below will be the entry on 5 minutes time frame. Go 180, 280 are for your targets, 180 are for the stop loss. Let me mark this for my GBP USD consolidation and breakout setup, 5 minutes time frame. Very choppy, just leave this one. We have 4 setups we have found on 5 minutes. Keep an eye. We'll check that in the weekend's video. Cocoa, yeah, sure. Cocoa for now is very bad price action. It's just ranging from this zone to this zone. It's not even in the sell and not even in the buy. So I don't like this type of market. Yeah. So for cocoa, what I want to see either a break below this low, then I'll start to look for my sell trades, or a break above at least this high, then I start to look for my buy trades. So for now, I'm just not looking at US cocoa unless and until we see a clear breakout below or above. Above this will confirm the uptrend. Yeah. So very bad price action for now. Wow, platinum is pushing like a rocket here. What's happening with crypto? BTC bounced up from A, might be coming back to this level again. BTC can retest 90,000 and 93,000 again. That is likely next week. And then push up again. So yeah, we're going to range in this area for a while now. Okay, fair. I'm going to see silver for you. So silver has just broken above the double bottom neckline. Right, eh? Now in a process of retesting the neckline. You see, you remember the entry number 3 from the course? That is something we are getting here. With the retest, bullish engulfer will be your entry. Or retest 382 candle will be your entry. So keep an eye on this little anchor and this neckline of the double bottom. Yes, Dodge is pushing down. Let's see Dodge as well. So, oh, great. That's great. I made a good profit in XRP as well. So I'm out of the XRP for now, but I made a very good money there. So Dodge is pushing down as well. We are still bullish for Dodge. Yeah, still bullish. Let's hope it's gonna push up. This is one of my investment. Where XRP is heading, let's see. Polkadot is one of my investment as well. Damien recommended this token to me a couple of months ago, so that was a good investment. Thanks, Damien, for that. And when I look at technicals, DOT was that time on $4. I bought somewhere here. Where is XRP? SHIB is also one of my investments. XRP is here. XRP in the long term is going to push up. That is very likely. Well, it did go up to $3. Yeah, XRP is going to push up. If you want to buy again, buy here again at $1.5 to $1.6. Damien has some good research in the crypto, and Rocky. We are missing Rocky today as well. She also has a very good good knowledge about crypto and some good tokens. Rocky told us some of these tokens right here. Ondo is a very good investment for now. Is at the highest point, or CRO 15 cents only. Take it and just forget about this coin. CRO, just if you have a spare money, just take it and just don't think about it. WIF is again good one, but that is already pushed up. One of my investments as well on WIF. Mover was one of my investment. I'm waiting it to come down to $6. I'm gonna buy it again. Algo, it is very good. Algo has a very good future. Same like XRP, Algo has a good future as well. So it's gonna push up massively in future. Keep an eye on Algo. Dodge, of course, because of fundamentals and Elon Musk. Matic, good one here. Matic. Link is very good. Gala is very good. INJ is good. So for the meme coins, small ones, the one is below $1. It's something I'm really interested in. Ethereum is retesting the support area again. So we'll see another spike up from Ethereum to the level above to 3,800 again soon. You see how the technicals works? So nice. A double top happens. Nice fall. Yes, that's correct, Damien. I sold Algo and I need to buy it again at a better price. I shouldn't have sold it, but I've sold it right at the highest price. So I bought it somewhere here. I made a very good money here in Algo and XRP. Dot Polkadot, I should have sold it before as well, because I was telling it to my friend in India. His name is Amit, and where is Dot? I need to organize these. Yeah. So I told him to sell it here. So he sold it here. I forgot. So I'm still in this position, but that's fine. That's my long-term investment as well. Okay, guys. So that was a good live session. We have covered almost all the markets. Keep an eye on the entries and the pairs I've pointed out. We're going to take a look on the weekends video, how it goes. So I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the day, and hey Roger, thank you so much for joining. So finally, let's take a look at WTI. Damien has said. So crude oil is Damien is broken above the structure level right here, retested the 50% retracement, nicely pushing up. I'm expecting it to push up to $76. WTI you're talking about, right? Crude oil. That's the one right here. Right, Damien? That's the one you're talking about? Yeah, I'm looking at 4-hour time frame. Yeah. On 4-hour, broken above, 50% have been retested, and it's likely going to push up to the 1.618 retracement. If you are in the trade, exit here if you want to, or pull back above 50 EMA. It is something I'm also looking at for the entries. But in general, we're going to look push higher. On 1 hour, oh, so you are looking at the channel. The upward channels we are talking about, right here and right here. Yeah, that's good. You see how it aligns with 4-hour as well. I was talking about this high, and that is exactly at the upper resistance of the channel, exactly there. So that is a good chance the price is going to hit this channel again and then push back down, then push up, eventually go 1.618 retracement. So bullish here, but if you are someone don't want to hold on the trades, which I don't prefer, especially for crude oil, heavily depends on fundamentals. Try to exit and get your as much as profit as possible. On 1 hour, we do have bullish engulfer at the 50% retracement as well. Yeah, Damien, very good spot. Looks like you're doing a good analysis. So, looks good. Kind of little fake out here. Perfect, Damien. Really, really glad that you're making the most out of it. I'm going to take interview of Damien soon, guys. So, till then, let's see. And above 50 EMA as well, which is good confidence. Right, guys. So, enjoy your day. And thanks everyone who joined the live session. Okay, sure. Let's take a look for you. Your USD. That is why I'm here, to answer your questions. Why not? So your USD is forming a bullish pattern, head and shoulder pattern. if we have a bullish engulfer right here, that is an entry. And then we're going to go long. Thanks, Shalini. You take care. I'll see you in the next live session. So, Vedant, just a buy signal, you're looking at a bullish engulfer or a pin bar. Look, these candles within this zone, 1.0297 goes to 1.0364. It is a termination in a bullish zone where we can see a possible entry. Buy entry, bullish engulfer, a 382 candle, clear entry, you need to look. If you have a next bullish engulfer, we have a buy signal. I'll keep my 180R below the wick, a stop loss, and 1 to 1 for the initial targets. Manage to this termination zone above. So yeah, we have a buy signal. Any more questions before I leave? Great. So you guys take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next session. Thanks everyone who joined. My pleasure, everyone. I'll keep in touch in Discord if you are there.